Now, to start with Mobile Studio, we will start with MobileConnect. What is MobileConnect? MobileConnect is used to send SMS and MMS. What is SMS? SMS stands for Short Messaging Services. SMS is a text only message. When I say it is a text only message, it does not support multimedia. It does not support multimedia. That means HTML, CSS, images, graphics, all these things won't be supported. Multimedia requires images, attachments, colorful, codes, colorful lines, text. All these are not supported by SMS. So SMS is only a text only messaging service, and one SMS can contain all at most 160 characters, not words. A small, a simple SMS can support up to 160 characters. More than 160 characters, you have to send another SMS. In one SMS, you can only support up to 160 characters. On the other hand, multimedia messages can also be sent from Marketing Cloud, but very less multimedia messages are sent because we have third party messaging apps which are using multimedia more than the SMS or MMS we say. But multimedia stands for multimedia messaging services. It can include images, sounds, videos, etc. Now, to develop SMS inside Marketing Cloud, we have to go to Mobile Studio and we have to go to MobileConnect. But once we go to MobileConnect, we won't get anything to create SMS, or you can say to code the SMS. To deploy SMS, you have a create message option where you can create a message configuration. Don't get confused with this create message option. This create message is to create a message configuration. But before we create a message configuration, we have to create SMS itself. So to create SMS itself, we have content builder. Email Studio had its own content builder, but SMS push notifications, or in fact Mobile Studio, do not have its own content builder. So from where we can get content, we can develop content. We can develop content using content builder option. You see, this is the content builder option. Click on content builder. Once we click on content builder, not only email you can create inside this content builder, but you can create other type of contents like SMS, mobile apps, messages like push notifications, chat messages to be sent on WhatsApp, Line messengers, and all these things. So this content builder is actually a integrated content builder with all the studios. It has email and SMS and other features. But the content builder which we use to work in email studio, the content builder which we use to work in email studio is not supporting any mobile features. So if you go and click on this content option, you won't see any mobile features available. If you click on create, you can have only email template content blocks, but not the mobile feature. So we will use standalone content builder to develop SMS. Now, what is the use case of SMS we have to develop? We have already built, invoice email. So the same invoice we have to send via SMS as well. The same invoice we have to send via SMS as well. Because whenever you make a transaction, you not only get email, you get SMS as well. So whatever email we have developed, if you remember, whatever email we have developed, let me open that business unit. That email contained a detailed way to present our transactions details. The same details we have to send via SMS as well. So we had this invoice email. Okay. We had product purchased, quantity, brand, color, size, total bill. The same thing, shipping country. The same thing we have to deploy via SMS as well. So to create SMS, we'll go to content builder. We'll select the folder. Once we select the folder, we can click on create option and we will select SMS message. Once we select SMS message, left hand side you see you can type the message and right hand side you can get the preview. So we will type here, hi, thank you for making a purchase. And you will see that preview available here. This also supports personalization string, like we had personalization string supported inside email, like hi percent first name percent. So now this first name percent last name percent, all these first name and last name are the personalization strings which requires a preview from a sendable data extension. Then only it will resolve into a value. So you have a subscriber preview option available. Click on subscriber preview, select the data extension which you want to preview. The same concept which we studied inside email, the same thing lies here inside the SMS. So let me select the data extension. So one thing guys, for SMS we have some prerequisites. That is why that data extensions are not available for preview. That prerequisites we will study in next session. But the prerequisites for sending SMS are the data extension should be sendable. We have that. The data extension should contain a phone number. We have that. And the third prerequisite is the data extension should contain a country field. That also we have. But the problem is the country field should have the country data type. But here the data type of the country field is text. By mistake, we have defined text as the data type. So what I will do, I will delete this country field, or I can have another country field which is country 2 with the data type as local, and click on create option. So I have country 2 here. I will add the records manually like USA, US, IN. For defining country, we have to use a local data type. SMS are unlike emails. For SMS, countries are important because you will get either domestic license or a commercial license. To send any SMS to any country, the data extension should contain the country of that particular customer. For each country, you will get a particular SMS license. That is why defining a local data type is important for sending SMS. As our local data type was not present, the data extension was not available in the preview. But now as we have added the local data type, we will again try to preview the data extension and see if it is working or not. So we will have the same data extension, the same folder selected again. So we have new batch subscriber profile available. Click on select and you have first name, last name. You see the same way it used to work in email. The same way it is working inside the SMS as well. Now yesterday I uploaded some data using APIs. Let me clear all these records and let me import the original file which I took backup. It had some original subscriber keys which we had used. So now guys, the requirement is we have to use the SMS for the invoice. The invoice we sent via email, the same invoice we have to send via SMS. So this is the email which we developed to send the invoice. Now every AMP script code, everything would be supported in the SMS as well. But SMS is a text only format. It won't support images and multimedias, but it would definitely support all the AMP script code. So SMS, to send SMS, we require the same AMP script code which we have developed for the email. So what we will do, we will copy the email AMP script code and we will add it to the SMS. And we will see where to remove multimedias. So image is a multimedia thing, we will remove it from here. Image was a multimedia thing, we will remove it from here. And again, if you go and click on preview, all these things will not be printed. AMP script will not be printed. What can be printed is the V function, like we used to print inside the email. So thank you for making purchase. This we can have here. We can go and click on subscriber preview. Thank you for making purchase, first name, last name. Thank you for making purchase, first name, last name. Thank you for making purchase, first name, last name. Okay. Then thank you for shopping with Amazon. This line we will enter here. It only supports 160 characters. If it is more than 160 characters, it will create and send another SMS. So we will remove all the HTML content from here because HTMLs are not supported. We will only keep AMP script content. We have to see each and every content. It does not exceed the limit, otherwise it would reduce the customer experience because the remaining characters would be sent in another SMS. So the SMS should be very short and crisp. So we'll go and do a subscriber preview and you see there are 3 SMS which are built. First is thank you for purchase. This is the first name, last name if you change it. Okay, thank you for shopping with Amazon. Please find your invoice below. Product purchase, laptop, quantity 1. So it is looking very bad. So let's reduce some more content from here. Thank you for your purchase. First name, last name. We will remove this line from here. Product purchased, then quantity, then brand, then color, and then size. Then we will have total bill, and then we will have shipping country. Now let's do a subscriber preview. Now, thank you for purchase. Product purchased, phone, quantity 1, brand Apple, color black, size this, bill and shipping. Again, it is coming in 2 SMS. So let's reduce some more. Instead of total bill, we will have bill, and here we will have country. Let's see. So now see that the entire SMS is coming into a single SMS. So this is how you receive SMS of your purchase generally. Thank you for purchase, product purchase, phone, quantity 1, brand Apple, color black, size Pro Max, bill and shipping country this. You change it. You see, product purchase, shoes, quantity 1, brand Nike, color orange. So images won't be supported, but all the other dynamic functions like AmpScript and personalization strings would be supported. So this is how we develop SMS. Once we have developed a short and crisp SMS, we will see how to deploy it and what are the configurations required tomorrow. To develop SMS, we already know the technology, we already know the AmpScript, data extensions and everything. We just have to use the same thing here as well.